Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet coming back to you again with another 30 pounds in 30 days video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blend a nice drink that's going to help you to flush out your belly, flush out your system, and get you the results that you're in need. In this, we're going to be using our juicer. You can also use a blender, and if you use a blender, you can strain the contents, okay? So let's start this video right now. So now we're going to be using our juicer. Now I know some of you have already asked me where did I get this juicer. This is an old school Jack LaLanne juicer, you guys, but they do have the newer models like in Walmart, I guess Target, and you can also find it on Amazon. Alright, so we're going to pop this on. Now the first ingredient we're going to be using is our cucumber. Okay, and what you're going to do is chop your cucumbers up into chunks. Next, we're going to use at least 2 inches or more of your ginger root. And next, we're going to be using at least 1 big carrot. Now, I got the little baby carrots. You can use those too. So I will be using about a cup of these. Lastly, we're going to be using 1 apple. Now you can use green apple, you can use red apple, it doesn't matter. Okay, so in total, this is giving me 500 milliliters of fluid. And I'm going to transfer this into my pitcher. So if you have a pitcher, a mason jar, anything to store it, that's fine. Okay. And I'm going to add 2 cups of filtered water. Now the last ingredient is 1 lemon. So what we're going to do is squeeze 1 lemon, the juice of 1 lemon, into our pitcher. Never throw away your lemon peels. They have wonderful benefits and can be reused again. I will do another video on that. Shake up your drink, and it is ready to drink. Now this is full of antioxidants. It's going to shrink the fat in your belly, your arms, your thighs, your waist, as well as your back. Drink this twice a day. You can split this drink in the morning, 20 minutes before breakfast, and you can also have the balance of it in the evening before bed. This is a diuretic. This is going to help to flush you out. It's going to help to fill you with fibers so you're full longer. It's going to sustain you throughout the night so you're not going to have those overnight cravings, and you will see some results. Like I said, this is going to help you to lose 30 pounds in 30 days, and you're also going to eat healthy with this. Do not drink these drinks and eat junk foods or anything and think you're going to get the results. You have to make a lifestyle change. Alright, so you guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these wonderful video ideas with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. And also check down below in my Amazon affiliate links for these wonderful items such as the personal and large size NutriBullet blenders, wonderful metal reusable straws, and so much more. Also check in my eBay store for awesome herbs, tonics, and honeys that's going to do your body good. So many wonderful things in the eBay store, so the links will be down below in the description bar. Also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs. Go over there right now, subscribe, hit that personal bell, and personalize it to all, so when I upload videos over there, which will most likely be hair care, skin care, beauty care videos, you will not miss another video. Okay, so until the next time, you guys, I will see you then. Hey family, this is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful announcement. If you haven't heard about it yet and haven't tried it yet, well, I want to bring to you something that is going to help you on your weight loss journey. This is a powerful tonic that's going to help to flatten your stomach. It's going to get rid of that excess waste in your colon, so this way you can get rid of that excess weight. This is something that's going to help to lower your cholesterol levels, your blood sugar levels, as well as your blood pressure. For those of you who haven't been able to get rid of that weight and burn fat because of low metabolism, this is something that's going to boost your metabolism, give you that extra energy that you need to burn that weight. This is also going to cleanse your blood because it's a detox. It's going to get rid of those harmful toxins in your body that's keeping you sluggish from getting rid of that weight. So check out the Flat and Firm Belly Detox. This has been flying off the shelf like crazy. This is my popular detox tonic that's been working for so many. So if you're trying to lose weight, get those inches off, as well as lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood sugar, and boost your metabolism, give you extra energy, and suppress your appetite, well, check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox. This is powerful, this is organic, and it's also safe for those of you who are on blood pressure medication as well as being diabetic. So check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox, you guys. You will not be disappointed. It works. This is going to get rid of those extra inches off your waist because you're cleansing your colon and getting those wasteful toxins out of your body. So like I said, check down below in the description bar where you will find the links to my eBay store for this powerful Firm and Flat Belly Detox. So get your health journey back on track. Check out the links down below. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys, have fun, okay? And I will see you in the next video.